You don't have to go out to the club to get this delicious garlic herb rack of lamb. Watch this. First, we're gonna make our garlic and herb paste. Use as much garlic as you want, and then some herbs like rosemary, thyme, and parsley. And then for flavor, I'm coming with that straight drop rub. Get the seasoning from UncleDibbz.com. Add some olive oil, and then give it a blend. Once your herbs and garlic turn into a nice, thick paste like this, it's time to grab that rack of lamb. First, we're gonna score it with a knife just to make sure that delicious garlic flavor gets deep into that lamb. Next, grab your herb paste and rub it all throughout that rack of lamb. Make sure you get deep into the crevices of that lamb. We want this whole thing busting with flavor. Once you're done hitting both sides, it's time to prepare the vegetables. Today I'm using some red, orange, and yellow bell peppers, some potatoes, and also some carrots. But you can throw whatever veggies you like into this medley. We're gonna grill this lamb right on top of these veggies, so these veggies are gonna be packed with flavor from the drippings from the lamb. But first we gotta season up the veggies, add a little olive oil and some more of that straight drop rub. Give it a nice mix. And if you have any leftover garlic paste, go ahead and throw that in your veggies too as well, and you can mix that in too. Next, grab a wire rack, throw your lamb meat side down so that it's resting right on top of those veggies. Now let's prepare our grill for medium heat. Now if you're saying, oh, I don't have a grill, but I want to do this recipe, it's all good. You can do this right in the oven as well. Just get your oven set for 375. Now place your lamb directly over the heat for about 20 to 25 minutes for medium rare. Now, if you're a savage and you want yours well done, you can go all the way up to 35 minutes. But I like mine just like this. Now break out your Sunday best fine china. Go ahead and spoon those juicy vegetables right over your plate. Move your vegetables to the side. Now grab that prize, rack of lamb. We're gonna slice these into individual pieces just like this. And guess what? If it's too rare for some of your guests, all you need to do is throw it back on the grill and they can burn it up just how they like it. This full recipe is available on my site, link in bio. But other than that, it's time to eat. That's good, shorty.